Good morning to all. My name is Vanaja. I am pursuing third Become Computers in TSWRDC Suryapet. Today, I will explain about the types of banks. Before that, I will discuss what is the meaning and definition of the bank. Meaning of the bank. Banks are the oldest, biggest, and fastest growing financial intermediaries in India. Today, banks are part and parcel of our daily life. Banks meets the needs and requirements of the farmers, entrepreneurs, businessmen, governments, and other segments of the societies. Definition of the bank. Bank is an establishment of custody of money which it pays out of on customer's order. Types of banks. We have different types of banks. First one is savings bank. Second one is commercial banks. Third one is industrial banks. Fourth one is indigenous banks. Fifth one is central banks. Sixth one is cooperative banks. Seventh one is exchange banks. Now I will explain the types of banks briefly. First one is savings banks. Savings banks is an established to create saving habit among the people. These banks are helpful to the lower income groups. The deposits collected from the customers are investing in bonds, securities, etc. Second one is commercial banks. Commercial banks are established with an objective to help businessmen. The deposits collected from the general public provide short-term loans to the businessmen by the way of cash credit, overdraft, etc. It provides various services like bills of exchange, collecting checks. Third one is industrial banks. Industrial banks are collected cash by issuing shares, debentures, etc. It provides long-term loans to the industries. The main objectives of industrial banks provides loans for expansion and modernization of industries. Fourth one is indigenous banks. It means the money lenders banks. The deposits collected from the general public and grant loans to the needy persons without their funds as well as farm deposits. These banks are popular in villages and small towns. Fifth one is central or federal or national banks. Every country of the world has a central bank. In India, RBI, Reserve Bank of India. In USA, Federal Bank. The central banks are the bankers of the every bank. It has specialized functions, that is issuing of paper currency, supervising and controlling the foreign exchange. Sixth one is cooperative banks. Cooperative banks are registered under Cooperative Societies Act 1912. It provides loans to the small farmers and small scale industries. These banks are available in rural as well as urban areas. Seventh one is exchange banks. Exchange banks are mainly concerned with the financing foreign trade. Bank of Tokyo, Bank of American are the examples of the exchange banks working in India. Thank you.